How to list products on eBay from CJDropshipping. So go ahead and open your browser. Once you are in the homepage of eBay, just create an account. You can do it manually or create an account using your Facebook account, Google, either Gmail, or you can also use your Apple account. For this tutorial, I'll be continuing my Google account. So just type in your credentials, and then once you have your account, your screen will direct into this page. Now click on this My eBay button. It's on the upper right corner of the screen. And from these drop-down options, select Selling. And then from here, click on Personal Information. Now finalize your username, account type, and then make sure that both your email address and phone number is verified. Once you input your phone number, a confirmation code will then be sent to both email and phone number, and you just need to type the code that will be sent to you. Now, another thing that you need to set up in email is the payment method. Without this, you will not be able to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. For this video, I will not be able to add a payment option, but make sure to not skip that step. And then after that, let's go to CJ Dropshipping. In here, we have to create an account as well. So on the CJ Dropshipping homepage, locate the sign up or the register button. It is typically located on the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and here you can use WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail, Apple, and Shopify account to register. And although there's a lot of option here, I would suggest that you use the same account that you have registered to eBay. In that way, it will be easier to connect the two accounts. Once you are signed in, you will be here on the home page. And what we need to do here first is to account this account to our eBay account. And to do that, make sure you are in the home page. Just click on this logo and then click on the authorization tab. It's on the upper left part of the page. And from the drop down options, choose eBay. Now click on the Add Store button. Choose the account of your eBay. And then once you entered your credentials, just grant the access, and then it will then be connected. Once it's connected, what we have to do now is to find products that we will be listing to eBay. You can choose from the categories here. You have electronics, you have bags and shoes for apparel, accessories, health and beauty products, women's clothing, sports, furnitures, home improvements, motorcycle, toys, men's clothing, consumer electronics, and phone accessories. So just scroll down in here, and let's say that I want to add this Christmas LED light. So just click on that product, and then here just click on the list button. This window will then show, and here we need to edit the shipping information, the source of the product. That will not be changed since it will be all up to the original seller. Next to that is the places or the countries where your product will be shipped. Next to that is the places or the countries where your product will be shipped to mostly. And then the last is the shipping method. Also, if you have multiple accounts and multiple platforms connected to your CJ Dropshipping account, make sure to choose the right store here. So moving on to the price and listing quantity, here you have the freedom to assign how much you're going to price a certain product. Make sure to input a product that is higher or at least equal to the RRP or the recommended retail price to have a guaranteed profit. After this, input the quality that you want to list on your eBay, and then once you're done editing the listing details, all you have to do is to click on List It Now, and it will then be connected and displayed on your eBay account. Now, this window should appear on your screen, and mine failed because, as I mentioned a while ago, I wasn't able to add a payment method. So again, make sure to fill that information on your eBay account. Now, if you want to edit some product information, and description before listing it on your eBay, you can click on edit before listing button. The product title is your first opportunity to grab a buyer's attention. So be sure to use clear and concise language, including essential details like brand, model, size, and color. If you can, include words that potential buyers might use when searching for your item. These tags are keywords that will be associated with your product. So let's say that you added LED here. So when a user searched LED in their search bar, your product will probably show on their results page. So that is a great way to make more sales for your product. Moving on to the description. Creating a product description that encourages customers to buy requires effective communication and persuasion. So, when writing a product description, it's essential to intimately understand your audience needs and wants. To grab their attention and encourage them to buy, focus on the product's benefits rather than simply listing its features. So just describe how this product can genuinely improve their lives or solve a problem that they are facing. Just edit this whole page if you want that, and beside the description are the images. Images is also one of the most important thing when you are selling stuff online, since some buyers rely on the photos. Here you can select the photos that you want to include in your listing. High quality images are essential as well because they give buyers a visual representation of the product. So make sure to choose the well lit, clear, and multiple images that show different angles, different features, and any included accessories. Ensure that the product is accurately represented in photos. Next to the images tab is the variants. Here, you can see the different colors, the different size, or basically the different types of the same product. And here, you can also control and decide on what variants you want to include in your listing. Next is the shipment. Here, you will choose what courier or shipping method you want to avail, its estimated delivery time, the shipping fee, service fee, and an access to tracking information. Lastly is the Others tab, and here you can access the payment method, more shipping methods, type, and brand. Click on List It Now if you are done, and once you have your product listed on eBay, go to the eBay Seller Hub, log in using your eBay account, and here click on Listings, and you should be able to locate your added product in here. So that is how to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.